Welcome to the Windows Club. If you encounter the Windows Update error 0x80244018 on your Windows computer, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. You need to enable automatically detect settings and disable the proxy server. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select property. Make sure that automatically detect settings is on, and if there is any manual proxy set up here, then switch it off. The next solution will be to run the network adapter and Windows Update troubleshooters. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters. Click on run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter and then scroll down to the network adapter troubleshooter and then click on run once again. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.